So today I'm helping my sister out. She bought a house that she's fixing up and the foundation needed to be dug up and the pruner vein needed to be fixed. So we dug everything up. We put some Marify paper underneath, got all the clay out of there, put some stone down, put some new pipe down. We dug up a bunch of this pipe here that I don't like very much because it's crap. We put rigid pipe in, perforated rigid pipe. But we dug up a ton of this. It's all full. Didn't have any stone or anything around it, so it wasn't installed properly, so it's really not the pipe's fault. But this pipe isn't that great. It's hard to get it flat. When you lay it in the ditch, it's up and it's down. So I don't like it. So let me see that. So here's the walls that we dug up. We got the Marify paper on there. The grade comes up, as you can see, goes right around here. Underneath the Marify is about 4 inches of stone, a pipe, 4 more inches of stone, another layer of Marify paper. This wall is cracked, so we're going to fix it. We're going to pull that wall out. It's got a little swale in it. The clay froze against the wall and pushed it in. So we get all the way around here. I don't know if you can see it with the sun. All the way back around. Then we dig an exit line heading out there. Out to the end of there, it's all pitched away from the house, so it'll drain good. More pipe, pieces of pipe everywhere. More pipe, failed pipe. This is the pipe that we use. I like this pipe. It's got a black liner in it. It's really strong. It's got a coupler built onto it, so you don't have to worry about that falling apart. We use 90s, obviously T's. That's it.